Welcome to the Workplace Violent Incident Online Reporting System for Hospitals. Cal OSHA has developed a series of 6 online tutorials to help hospital administrators and staff submitting reports understand the system and how to use it. Module 5 covers how to complete and submit a workplace violent incident report. This module is split into 3 parts. Part 1 will show you how to get started submitting reports and how to answer questions 1 through 8 of the online Workplace Violent Incident Report. Incidents of workplace violence in hospitals are reported here. You can access the reporting system by clicking on the Login button on the Hospital Workplace Violent Incident Reporting webpage. This link is available in the video description below. You must first register for the system in order to submit reports. If you are not already registered, please see Module 4 for information on how to register. Log in with your unique username and password, and the system will take you to the incident report page. Please note that the system will automatically log you out after 30 minutes if your machine is idle. If this happens, you will lose all the information that you've entered. Leave the Workplace Violence Reference ID field blank unless you are correcting a previously submitted report. See Module 6 for information on correcting an already submitted report. To begin completing the online incident report, first identify the facility where the incident occurred by clicking on the magnifying glass. A dialog box will appear with the name or names of the facilities you are authorized to report for. Select the name of the facility where the incident occurred. You must use the drop-down menu to select your facility. If you enter text into the box will appear pink and you will get an error message when you try to submit the form. The hospital facility will appear in the Hospital Facility field. The hospital representative's name and contact information, as well as the facility license number and OSHPD ID number, will autofill. Hospitals may add their own internal incident ID number here. Internal hospital incident IDs must not contain any personal identifying or medically confidential information. Click the calendar icon and select the date the incident occurred. If you enter text or select a future date, you will receive an error message. Click on the arrow to select the time of the incident to the closest 15-minute time interval. If the incident you are reporting meets the criteria for repeated instances, select that here. For a definition of repeated instances, click on More Information. Note, you can click More Information to get explanatory information related to that question. In the next section, you will answer specific questions about the incident. Scroll down to see all possible responses. Identify the aggressor in the incident by selecting the appropriate choice. Only one selection can be made. Select the location of the incident. Note what type of incident occurred. Check all that apply. If the aggressor used a firearm or other dangerous weapon, select the type of weapon used. How many employees were injured during the incident? Report that number by selecting from the drop-down menu. If no employees were injured, select 0. If more than 25 employees were injured, select 25 plus. Questions 5 and 6 relate to injured employees. Please indicate what types of injuries employees sustained. Make sure to include the type of injury for every employee that was injured. If you don't know the types of injuries, check Injury Type Unknown by the hospital at this time. If no employees were injured, check NA, No Known Injured Employees at this time. Note that if you check NA, No Known Injured Employees at this time, any other boxes that are checked will be cleared and grayed out. At the time of incident, inform us whether any injured employees were on break, lunch, arriving or leaving the facility, or working past their scheduled shift. Check all that apply. If none of the conditions apply, check here. If you don't know, check Don't Know Specific Circumstances. If there are no injured employees, check here. If you check No Special Circumstances, Don't Know, or NA, No Known Injured Employees, any other boxes that are checked will be cleared. Select whether the incident was reported to a Cal OSHA district office under Title 8, CCR, Section 342. If you have questions about employer reporting requirements per Section 342, click More Information. Select the district office the incident was reported to. Click on the magnifying glass to find a list of district offices. Now, select the district office from the list. If the incident was not reported under 342, select NA. This completes Part 1 of Module 5 and demonstrated how to get started submitting reports using the online system and how to complete questions 1 through 8 of the Workplace Violent Incident Report. Part 2 will show you how to answer questions 9 through 17. Cal OSHA encourages you to view the other Workplace Violent Incident Online Reporting System tutorials for more information about the system. You can also view our frequently asked questions posted on our webpage. The link is available in the video description below. Thank you for viewing this tutorial. See you in the next tutorial.